So, bro, it's like relationship. What do we do in
Hmm.
relationship? Fitness is like relationship, nahi. It is relationship. If
Hmm.
you expect things to work, you love your partner a
Hmm.
lot,
Hmm.
and she will give you everything in return. But if you cheat with your cheat in your relationship, one day or the other, your partner will get to know, and you're gonna have a very downtime, and you'll feel the worst person ever. So it's like cheating with fitness. If you cheat, if you cheat with fitness, like you're not consistent, you leave gym for 2 months and then you start, you won't see anything, any result because
So,
you have to put in passion
yeah.
and consistency.
So, a message to all the people who've cheated on their girlfriends: you are not going to look like Hrithik Roshan.
Well,
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the first episode of Plugcast. Today is going to be all about fitness, and we have Rahul Jain in today's podcast. Namaste, Rahul Jain. आप कैसे हैं?
नमस्ते राजन्ना, कैसे हो
Yes.
आप कैसे हाल चाल? How are you doing?
I am good. I am currently, I just finished the
So,
transformation, so that's feeling nice.
like for me, quarantine has taught me many things. It has taught you also, right?
Yeah, bro, definitely, bro. Like, the one main thing about quarantine was that you're damn insignificant and you're just supposed to do anything that, like,
We were accustomed to this social circle and social friends, and suddenly we had to
yeah,
stop
bro.
it for like months. So this taught us that we have to live on our own terms, and then the validation that we are seeking from everyone, like all our nearby, it's
Hmm.
not necessary. You have to validate yourself that you are enough. You are enough
True,
to
bro. Definitely.
develop. You are enough. You don't want any support from friends and all. You are
Yeah.
enough.
One main realization I had this quarantine was that life is your game, and you create that game for yourself, and you're supposed to be the best at it. That's the entire point. You don't
Yeah, life is a
someone
game.
else's
True.
process because they're completely different from what you are. You know?
Life is a game. True. And
That's how it is.
everyone, it's like a chess game only, bro. Like everybody holds a different place. Like everybody is
Mhm.
unique.
True.
Without these soldiers, a king cannot win. Without a king, a soldier cannot win. So we are interrelated, but we have our own role to
Own
play,
journeys. True, bro. True, definitely.
own role to play, and everybody is important, even if it is anyone in our
True.
life
So talking about journeys, you had a
journey.
complete transformation. You went from fat,
So
completely jacked.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, tell us more about it, man. How were you like when you were? What was your heaviest weight at the time?
So I was a fat kid, like normal family. We all belong to typical Indian family, right?
Yeah,
So you belong to Punjabi family. You have butter
yeah.
chicken, naan, and whatnot. And
Uh-huh.
and as a vegetarian, I'm a vegetarian, pure vegetarian. So we eat the mainly our dishes are like damalu and rice mates only pulao and all biryani that we call, and you guys don't agree that it's biryani. You say biryani kaun bolta hai bhai?
It's
it's
not
it's
biryani. It's not biryani.
pulao.
It's
But
pulao.
so we eat everything like as a typical Indian family kid. I grew up eating everything, Manchurian and whatnot, Chinese and all. So we didn't know what are calories, and how to count it, and what macros are basically. We didn't know. So I started eating. I started eating from 8th, 7th. I was a normal skinny kid, and then from 8th I started putting on fat, and in 3 years I put on 30 kgs of
Mm.
pure fat 30 kgs. So at 10th ending I was like 86. So talking about my journey, it began with a realization. It's all journeys began with a realization.
True, bro.
They all
Definitely.
so it was like I a group of I had a group of friends. Okay, so the circle of friends, we were having a running race. So once we started a race, and it was supposed to be a 2 kilometer one, like 4 rounds or something. And I started, and then in midway, I just in 1 kilometer, I was just panting so hard, and then I didn't care then. It was okay. Then I realized that my stamina is really low, and I
Mm.
cannot run faster, and I'm not a guy who has endurance and all. Then after few months, my friends, they started to call me fat, and they were like, bro, you're the fattest kid in our group, so you don't have, like, they were showing that I hold a less place in the group because I'm
Mm.
fat kid. Like, this was my mentality. Maybe it wasn't their mentality, but it was my mentality that they were thinking like that. Then I was like, bro, मैं सच्ची में मोटा हूँ क्या? So that realization. Then I went and took out my t-shirt and looked myself into the mirror. It was the worst experience. I was like, first time I realized that actually this is sad, and I nobody was kidding or telling me something that I wasn't. So they
Mm.
told the truth, but I accepted in a negative way, and then it made me think that ये अब क्या करें, next step क्या है, because I'm not attractive, how to do it.
Wait,
So
so
it
Rahul,
was,
this brings up 2 points, right? First is, realization of anything. So for example, अगर तुमको एक journey start करनी है, you want to start any journey, it begins with realization. You need to realize where you are at that point, and then how you
yeah,
get to that. That's number one. And the second thing strikes up the conversation about mental health, about your
mental health.
perception on how you are. So like first, let's talk about acceptance, right? So I feel like if you don't accept at what stage you are, you won't move forward. So there's something called a grief cycle. It's not
Grief
complete.
cycle.
It's not completely applicable over here, but thoda relation you can make. So first, it starts off with denial. So you keep saying to yourself कि नहीं, this is not happening. चलो छोड़ो.
Yes,
बस ऐसे
it was
बोल
a
रहे हैं.
denial. True, true,
हाँ,
true.
वैसे
सब
ही
ऐसे
था.
बोल.
And then it starts with anger because
Anger.
you're
I
like
was angry.
मेरे साथ क्यों हो रहा है यार? Like
I was angry.
it's not fair to me. How is this happening? Then comes in the depression phase. So you like
Yeah,
just कि अरे shit man, fuck, what will I do now? जिंदगी झंड हो गई बहन क्या करेंगे? Like all of that. You get really depressed and really sad at that point.
and plus, it's more important thing is maturity at that time, right?
True.
If you're not
Definitely.
mature enough, then you're gonna lose shit.
Definitely, bro.
You're gonna lose your mind, because if you're mature enough, you know that it it is like present. Live in the present moment. Give yourself best, and in the future you'll get the best.
Mm.
It's if I was mature enough, I wouldn't have taken so seriously, and I would have given it a time. Like, I was so mad behind it that I just started. So I'll tell you my journey now, straight away. So I started waking up at 5.
Mm.
This was when I inculcated my discipline thing. I started waking up at 5:30. I set alarm, and we friends used to run, and just in park. I used to run. It was Sanjeeva Park. The name was Sanjeeva Park, and I used to run for like 4 kilometers, 5 kilometers, and even in the evening I did workout. So it was a two time. I didn't know
Mm.
anything that what is calories in and what is calories out. And then I was doing starvation at the same time. So I was depriving my body from all these nutrients. I was just sticking to one roti, salad, and soup. One roti, salad, soup. Morning upma. That's it. And then I started. Uh, then it began to show my negative. It began to show my negative effects on my body. So I started to realize my hormonal imbalance has occurred now, because I was getting mood swings. I was getting so many problems health related. Like, I could feel fatigue. Like, my entire body was so fatigued that I was so weak. I couldn't get up from bed if I didn't have a 8 hour sleep, 9 hours sleep, 10 hours sleep. So I used to sleep a lot, and then this started to realize that there's something called dieting, proper dieting.
Mm.
Then I hit the gym in 11th. Then I started to know what is. Then I got to know what is fat. Fat is essential for body because I was depriving this fat element from my life. So fat is really essential to boost your testosterone, to boost your hormones. So fat is really important for your well-being. So I didn't understand that, and then I started to eat fat, and then I saw results. Results
Hmm.
were there. So it was all about a step I took, a small step I took. Then I didn't care about the result, but it's negative or positive. I didn't care, but I took a step, and then I went ahead, and then I started researching through YouTube. YouTubers, big YouTubers. I saw their entire videos. I saw so many videos, and then I got to know about macros. So 11th, I started putting on weight. I mean muscle plus fat. Then also I didn't know how to increase muscle size without putting fat. So I just started bulking. So 11th mid, I was skinny kid. Then I started my journey. It was only cardio. So it was only cardio, right? Bas bhagna till 11th
Hmm.
mid. Then I started my gymming journey. I did cardio at the same time. But then my trainer, again a myth. I want to bust this myth. My trainer said no to weights, and he
Hmm.
called my mom. He
Hmm.
called my mom, and he's like, "Isko mat karne do. He's underage." Because I'm like, why? He's like, it will affect your shoulders, bro. If your shoulders, if you're lifting above your shoulders, anything, it's gonna impact
And
on your height.
it's an actual trainer that's saying this.
Actual trainer, gym trainer, who's saying this, and
It's
he
a
didn't
typical
allow me.
Indian thing though. I haven't heard anyone say this like abroad or something. I feel like it's just an Indian thing कि बेटा जिम मत जाओ नहीं तो आपकी हाइट रुक जाएंगी इतने से रह जाओगे.
Right now, right here, I bust this myth. It's the opposite way. You are. It's the total opposite way because when we go to gym and hit weights, there is certain growth hormones which is produced, which helps to build our strengthen our bones, body, and everything. So
Hmm.
indirectly and directly, we are boosting our own body health, and like we are increasing our height, and I swear I increased 2 inches of my height since
Hmm.
then.
And how long?
Two.
What was the period?
In 1.5 year, I got from 5.6 to 5.8, 5.85.
Okay.
So it's a total myth, and I'm the live example here that
Hmm.
it's a myth. So
But
I
like people
lifted
should
heavy.
also, but you were telling me the other day that like people should also know that if you put too much stress on your lower back, then there are
Yeah.
chances of growth.
Yes. That's if you put stress on lower back while doing any heavy lift, and you result in L4 L5, that is the two last vertebrae.
Hmm.
If you result in any damage or something there, then yeah, height is. But there is no, we are no one, like we are not power lifters who are gonna lift 200
Yeah.
kg. So
Uh,
so there is no use of that. That is a myth, totally.
but now it's all about
After,
the journey, right? It's all about loving the
yes,
journey. You didn't do it because नहीं मेरे को ऋतिक रोशन जैसा बनना है. You didn't say that. You were just like, okay,
no.
I want to do something about my body.
सबका सपना है ऋतिक रोशन बनना है,
Uh-huh.
सबका,
True,
हर
true,
इंडियन
true,
का.
true. But
But
like, but I feel like what you tell me this is true, right? In your head, your mentality wasn't like, okay, fine, in this much time, I will look like this. It was instead, it
no,
I need to work right now. I need to start working out. I need to be consistent. Permanence रहना चाहिए. फिर जब result आएगा तब compare करेंगे and then I'll make छोटे छोटे results that I want to achieve. It wasn't like एक झटके में पूरा अपन ऋतिक रोशन बनेंगे भाई. ऐसा कुछ नहीं था ना. Tell me if I'm right.
ऐसा नहीं. So bro, it's like relationship. What do we do
Hmm.
in relationship? Fitness is like relationship, nahi, it is relationship. If
Hmm.
you expect things to work, you love your partner a
Hmm.
lot,
Hmm.
and she will give you everything in return. But if you cheat in your relationship, one day or the other, your partner will get to know, and you're gonna have a very downtime, and you'll feel the worst person ever. So it's like cheating with fitness. If you cheat with fitness, like you're not consistent, you leave gym for 2 months and then you start. you won't see anything, any results, because
So
you have to put in passion
yeah.
and
So a message to all the people who've cheated on their girlfriends: you are not going to look like Hrithik Roshan.
Wow.
Yeah. It's all about loving the journey, man. Like you need to fall in love with what you're doing. Only then you'll reach a certain stage in life where you're like, हाँ, bench किया है
The
मैंने.
same way, bro. I'm telling about you only, right? Right. If I speak about you, you
Hmm.
love you love directing films. You love acting and acting. You love portraying yourself in the best way. You
True, bro,
what this is
true.
what you love. This is
Yeah.
so you started as Ranj, right? No, you started as a really less age, like
Yeah.
very small. It
Yeah.
was 14-year-old is when you directed Ranch.
30. Yeah. Yeah. You're right. No, not 14.
14,
15 or
13 or
16.
4.
15 or 16 actually.
Bro, people, 80% of Indians, I don't know how to hold camera at that age. And you directed a fucking short film.
Bro,
And that's for
I'll
the
tell you how it started, but I'll tell you how it started. So I wanted to start YouTube videos now. At that time, क्या था Superwoman, Nigga, all these people. I was like super excited कि bro मेरे को भी एक YouTube channel बनाना है, करेंगे. So then my dad took me and like we bought this nice camera जिसके साथ मैं अभी record कर रहा हूँ. We bought this camera. I started recording videos and I was like, bro, ये camera क्या मस्त चीज है bro. तो क्या क्या कर सकते हैं अपन. And then I started making school के videos. Editing सीख लिया मैं. Yeah, and guess my first video that I made that is on YouTube today. 3 minutes long, bro. I took 2 months to edit it, only edit it. So imagine, it's not about, it's not कि अच्छा मैं कुछ start करना है, start करूँगा, everything will go perfect. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Like you have
ऐसा कभी नहीं है.
slog your ass until you can get the work done, bro. Like मेरे को अभी भी याद है, I was traveling उस time पे when I was editing that first video. 3 minute का था. I didn't know jack shit about video editing. Didn't know anything about any कुछ filmmaking कुछ भी नहीं पता था मेरे को. ट्रैवल करते करते लैपटॉप मेरे साथ में था. एक तो पुराना लैपटॉप है ये, तो स्लो एज शिट. और उसके ऊपर आई एम वर्किंग विद अ वेरी हाई इंटेंसिटी का सॉफ्टवेयर एडिटिंग का.
हाँ.
2 महीने लगे ब्रो. 3 मिनट का वीडियो मेरे को 2 महीने लगे सिर्फ एडिट करने में. सोच, वहां से लेके मैं यहाँ तक आया वेयर आई एम शूटिंग दिस पॉडकास्ट एंड एवरीथिंग. आधे दिन में मैं इसकी एडिटिंग खत्म कर दूंगा. इट्स लाइक
It's all about, yeah.
जर्नी, नो,
It's
ऑल अबाउट द जर्नी.
like ऐसा नहीं होता कि just a fraction of seconds you can learn everything. You
True,
can
true.
master. Now I am saying I can master muscles. I can feel muscles moving, and this is what gym is. You feel what you're pushing. You people at the beginner stage they won't understand this because I also didn't understand how muscle works. So when you are really going into the depth, you feel when you build the muscle, you feel it while pushing. Like take bench press. When we push the pecs, we squeeze it, and we have to feel in the mind. It's all connected in the mind. Mind, bro. Mind is right the most powerful thing ever God has created.
It's all in
If
the head,
somebody
bro.
uses all in the head, Einstein wouldn't be Einstein if he didn't use his 2%.
Definitely.
It seems right. 2% of his brain. He wouldn't have been Einstein because brain is more powerful than any nuclear power energy, any nuclear power. Brain is more powerful than that. Because brain only created nuclear energy, right? If brain wasn't there, so mind control the mind. That's the main thing. It's all in the
And
mind.
it's a very common misconception. Muscle heads बोलते हैं ना लोगों को कि अरे यार ये तो जिम जाता हुआ है, ये इसको क्या पता रहेगा, ये तो सिर्फ उठाता अपने वेट्स, उसको कोई मेहनत नहीं करता है. It's such a wrong thing to think, right? Because तुम जिम के साथ क्या कर रहे हो? तुम अपने मसल्स बिल्ड कर रहे हो. हाँ, तुमने किया है क्या वो? Did you get there? जो लोग अरे यार ये तो अच्छा बड़े मसल्स वाला है, इसको क्या पता रहेगा. Those are the kind of people who've never lifted weights in their life. They've never worked towards physical health in any way, right? So it's all about that, man. Like, and coming to that, it's all about the naysayers. जो लोग तुम्हारे को बोलते हैं कि bro, you can't do it, man. तू क्या कर लेगा? छोटा आदमी है तू, what will you do? those are the kind of people that push you forward. They motivate you, right? It's like a spring. I told you this before also कि तुम नीचे खींचो उसको, when you let go
Hmm.
इतना ऊपर चले जाएगा वो, you can't even तो क्या
True.
right? So
So like failure, bro.
failure, exactly, bro, exactly. I'll tell you.
Like failure is a spring which pushes down. It just
Yeah,
pushes you down. When it's down, then release it. Like
yeah,
then you
yeah,
move forward. If you
Hmm.
stay there, you will stay there.
Yeah, bro.
If you stay
True.
there, you'll stay there. If you release the pressure of that failure, you're gonna fly high.
It's true, bro. Definitely. That's what happened to me, in fact, right? In eighth grade, that was when I was getting, I was discovering my space into filmmaking, video editing, all of that entire zone. And I surrounded myself with very negative people. And there's a saying,
That's a saying, no, bro. Yeah, there's a
yeah,
saying that
exactly.
you are average of the 5 people
Five
around you.
people. Correct. You're the average of the 5 people that you hang out with. And I hung
So
with some
what
assholes,
happened?
man. I hung out
Wow.
with some assholes. So what happened was they used to keep telling me, तू तो पढ़ाई में भी अच्छा नहीं है, तेरे वीडियोस इतने खास भी नहीं बनते, तो क्या कर लेगा ब्रो? Got to me. At that time, maturity wasn't there mentally.
That time it affects you, right?
And
It
then
affected you.
that's when I started getting depressed. And that really fucked with my head. Ki, bro, I started questioning my self-worth. Bro, ye kya ho raha hai, bro? Like, why am I not good enough for anyone? I'm trying so hard. Once you get over that, na, because right now I'm right here because those people demotivated me.
Yeah.
I used to be like, तू क्या कर लेगा? And I was like, नहीं bro, मेरे को prove करना है लोगों को कि मैं कुछ कर सकता हूँ.
Bro, life gives you success when you do something very unique,
Hmm.
and you be it like you be the best in that unique. I mean, whatever you're doing, that should be very unique, and it should be like your competition should be high, but you have to do it in a unique way,
True, bro. You
because
have to find.
competition matters. Competition
Hmm.
matters. If there was no competition, you wouldn't have come here. So that's what competition matters, bro. But competition matters. Comparison doesn't. Comparison
Hmm.
and competition are two different. Don't
This is
compare.
this is going to
Compete.
be in the thumbnail of the video.
Don't compare.
This
Compete.
comparison doesn't Rahul Jain 2020.
Competition gives you that environment where you can excel at what you're doing. Your knowledge increases.
Friendly competition.
Friendly. हाँ ये नहीं कि
Uh-huh.
everybody should love each other working,
There should be
but at the
respect.
same time respect, mutual respect, always appreciation, bro. Everybody should appreciate each other, because everybody did. It's not that you're working harder than me or you're working less harder than me. We both are working harder right now. We both are the same, not the same. We are both unique in our own ways, and we are both working hard. So I have to appreciate you, and I do every time when you post something or do something, I appreciate your work, because एक appreciation, it's enough to give you a little boost in your mind that yes,
It's true. Definitely.
I have been
Again,
on my journey.
Rahul, that's like an ideal situation कि सब सबको appreciate करेंगे, but real life में ऐसे है नहीं. There's some really lunatics out there that completely demotivate other people to feel good about themselves, right? And I'm sure that happened to you. It happened to me. It happens to everyone. Like, how did you deal with it, bro? Like, I'm sure you have it now also. You get a lot of hate now. I know that.
Now it's there. So I'll tell you the difference. That time I had less haters because I wasn't that good enough. So that's why would people hate me if I'm not that good enough? I knew that I'm not good enough because I didn't start a journey, right? So if I didn't start a journey, I wasn't any unique in any way. So that's where. And once again, when I was a fat kid, I had zero self-esteem, zero self-confidence. I couldn't approach anyone. Girls तो बहुत दूर की बात है. I couldn't approach anyone. I
Same, bro. I
couldn't
feel you.
because yeah, oh my god. So I couldn't approach anybody, and the stage fear, bro. That stage fear
Hmm.
where uh, hundreds of people are watching me,
Yeah.
and I'll tell you one incident, bro. So I was with a paper. I had to deliver one thought for the day. Okay. So I went on the like principal was beside me, and I was standing. Suddenly, because it was an open thing, so suddenly it flew away, that paper. Okay.
खत्म.
So I started panicking, bro, because first of all I didn't know how to speak, because seeing students I was like, what? Okay. So after that, paper flew away and the paper was flying, so nobody could catch it. So I saw principal and principal, vice principal ma'am, and then I was like, then I narrated the thought like, we have to do something unique. We are born to do this. We'll die to do this. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I'm leaving. Then सबके सामने मेरा मजाक उड़ा, and I knew it because then I realized, bro, realization again that I am not good at stage. And why asking myself, questioning myself, why? Because I didn't work on myself. If I didn't work on myself, how can you be that person who is confident enough? If your confidence comes when you work on your personality and development,
True.
confidence is the byproduct of that.
True. I'll tell
When
you.
you work,
I'll tell you something. So like I was a theater student, right?
yeah.
And theater में there was a lot of
Yeah, you were good at acting. You were very good at
हाँ.
acting. I know.
So
I
क्या
heard
था
it.
तब क्या था that I performed a play, right? And after that play, everybody, it was some Founders Day का कुछ तो play होने के बाद literally bro, all the parents are coming towards me. Beta, you did so good in it. Mind blowing acting, mind blowing. क्या amazing, what dialogue delivery you had, amazing. And I was like, thank you auntie, thank you so much. उसके बाद उसके लिए 2-3 हफ्ते बाद एक असेंबली थी जहाँ पे मेरे को कुछ बोलना था. मैं गया, stammered like shit, गंदा. वहां पे क्या 100 लोग खड़े होंगे मेरे सामने. आई स्पोक लाइक क्रैप. और क्या हो गया मेरे को. 2 हफ्ते पहले अच्छा चिल्ला के मैं अपने डायलॉग्स बोल रहा था. Then I realized, bro. Then I realized कि I was in a character. So if the audience is making fun of me, it's not making fun of me. Making fun of the character.
Oh, wow.
समझा?
I understand.
Then
Yes,
I
yes,
understood that. And then I was like, bro, I need to learn how to make fun of myself so that others' comments don't affect me.
True.
मेरा वो mindset हो गया था. That's what, bro, theater teaches you how to laugh at yourself. That's why it teaches you confidence. Bro, after theater, I'm telling you, stuff like theater, working out, like ये सब मिला के ना मेरा confidence इतना boost हुआ. But like this also
Because it is personality development, bro.
Personality, exactly,
You worked
exactly.
on your personality.
एंड ब्रो पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट ना सिर्फ एक चीज से भी नहीं होती. तो अगर मैंने सिर्फ तब मैंने फिटनेस किया होता तब नहीं होता था. अगर सिर्फ
नहीं होता.
थिएटर किया होता था नहीं होता था. लाइक कांस्टेंट एफर्ट यू नीड टू मेक. You need to be self-aware, and this is what the podcast is about. You need to be aware. You need to think about yourself thinking. Metacognition बोलते हैं उसको. It's thinking about you thinking कि मैं क्या सोच रहा हूँ, कैसे सोच रहा हूँ, मैं कंट्रोल कैसे करता हूँ अपने thoughts.
But there should be a fine difference between that and overthinking. You shouldn't overthink.
True.
Overthinking is the worst thing you can do right at some point. If you are overthinking that, did I do it correctly or did I not? And again on the other day, you're telling yourself, you're validating yourself. Yes, I did correctly. Don't worry. Then again the third day, you're not gonna move forward. You're just gonna go back.
It's a vicious cycle, bro. It's a vicious cycle. And end में क्या होता है? Your self-esteem only goes down. That's what I've realized from overthinking.